Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your profile picture and hit add following. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't give us an option to unfollow all users at once, but you may have found a lot of videos on YouTube showing how to unfollow all users using third-party services, but I strongly advise you not to use any third-party service because there is a good chance you will lose your Instagram account, because you have to enter your Instagram username and the password to use these services. Unfollowing process is really simple, and you can unfollow from all the users in that simple way. Unfollowing doesn't ask you about a confirmation, it doesn't ask you if you really want to unfollow this guy, and you can scroll down through all of that list, and then one by one you can unfollow all your followings. But if you have a really huge following list, you might try to use the next solution. Let me first follow all of them back, and then just hit right here at your profile, then hit at menu icon and select settings. On settings, tap at help and then tap at report a problem. Then hit at report problem without shaking. Then don't include and continue. And now you should explain your problem. Basically, the problem is how you can bulk unfollow all users at once. So you can type in something like, please help me to unfollow all of my followings, and then just hit add send. After that, you will need to wait for a while because technical support is not always fast, and it may take 1, maybe 2 days to process your report, but that is the only and absolutely 100% safe way to unfollow all users at once on your Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.